In HTML5, whenever we are working with different browser, because everyone has variety of browser to work with. So when we make our program in HTML5, there is always a case that the browser may support, may not support certain functionality, certain aspect. So how to check it, how to verify it? One way is to do this. This is Navigator. Inside Navigator we have user agent, and user agent has index of function which checks for Chrome. If it is there, the browser is Chrome, and after that we can write our functionality and check for the functionality. Now for the similar browser like MSIE, Microsoft Internet Explorer, same thing can be done, but this process is somewhat trivial, and there are certain things which have come up. And one important thing which I'm going to tell you today is Modernizer. What is this Modernizer? Let's go to our web browser and type Modernizer in the search, and you see the first link is Modernizer. What Modernizer does is, Modernizer checks or verifies. It is a JavaScript library that detects HTML5 and CSS3 features in the user's browser. The features which are available in the browser both for HTML5 and CSS3, cascading style sheet 3, is being checked by this Modernizer JavaScript library. Okay, so how to have this Modernizer? Go to development, and if you want the complete version, you can just click here and you can have it. You can just save it. This is Modernizer latest. You can just save it. Or rather, if you don't want the whole and just want to set and check for certain versions, specific functionality, like I want to check for this miscellaneous only geolocation API, I will unclick all others, and rest for similar we'll go for CSS3, CSS3 and HTML5 also. So let's download, and this is custom build. What you'll get is custom build. We can just keep it, and we'll have a custom build. Only those functionalities and those features which are being checked. A custom build Modernizer JavaScript library or JavaScript functionality checker is available to you. How to use it? I'll show you two methods. First of all, the similar HTML page we are going to make, one by CSS, one by script, and what we are going to do is we will be checking about the WebSockets, whether the WebSockets are available on your browser or not. So let's start with the CSS. Edit with Notepad++. Now you see in this particular web page, we have to include this modernizer.js. So it has to be somewhere the path or inside this directory where you're working. So this is being included like this. This is very important. 28 line is the most important thing, and you can have some division, and you can just have some classes like NOWS, like no support for WebSockets and WebSocket support. So these two things in a division, and NOWS and WS, for that you can have specific NOWS, WS, a specific color, means specific CSS content. Now let me run it for you in Chrome. So it will be in green, because yes, your browser does support WebSockets. But if I run it in Internet Explorer 9, this will give this line. Since we don't have it, I will run it in the version which supports it. Okay, I'll go to this and again run it for open with Internet Explorer. Okay, Internet Explorer allow block content, because Internet Explorer, this version which I have, does support WebSocket. It is okay, but in 9 version you will see a red line saying sorry, your browser does not support WebSockets. And same thing we can do by writing a script also, JavaScript also. We can have a message area division, and accordingly this message area get element ID. We can have some if else modernizer.websockets then your browser does support, otherwise it does not support. So this also is a way of checking. And what actually Modernizer does is, this is a question. You can go to your web browser and just you can press F12 and you can see the content of the web page now has Modernizer embedded in it. This is the code which is embedded by the Modernizer. Same is with our Internet Explorer. So hope you got the idea that whenever you want to make a HTML5 and CSS page, you can directly go to Modernizer, have a small Modernizer latest JavaScript, and you can include it by just one line and check via these two methods which I just explained. So thank you so much. Take care.